double bottom. Absolutely textbook, perfect, right? It wants to go to the upside, pulls back, bounces on the bottom. Where do you think it's going to go? Right? Now we start charting it out. You've got a line there, you've got a line there, and you've got a line there. There you go, right? That is a perfect textbook double bottom. It's one of my absolute favorite trades to ever make. Ever, guys. A double bottom is beautiful. When we start to get into a triple bottom, you have to be more cautious every time it touches the bottom, right? And if you get to a quad, typically it breaks because same thing. Everybody's like, okay, it's just not going to hang up here. So I'm going to bury it. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Thank you,
But
coach.
but a
Yep.
double bottom or a double top, guys, these are perfect. So again, double bottom, setting up for a double top. If it doesn't break through to this side, guess where it wants to go?